Welcome to Tailors of Berry. Come inside. Let me take you on a little tour. So my partner David and I always had a bit of a dream to create a guest house here on our small property just outside Berry. We're lucky enough to have 2.5 acres, and we always thought, what are we going to do with the paddock? What are we going to do with half of that space? And the answer was this. We wanted to create a simple yet luxurious barn-style accommodation. Something with these soaring ceilings, with skylights, something very simple, yet at the same time really making the most of this gorgeous, gorgeous outlook. It is the light, as well as the location, that makes this place so special. And it's light that changes all through the day. The way this place looks first thing in the morning is different to the way it looks at midday, is different to the way it looks in the evening. So for David and me, it was very important to choose the right window furnishings that would harness and filter that beautiful light, but at the same time work with this very subtle but very definite color palette that we've chosen for the guest house. So I chose the Duette Shades in a new color called Ginger Snap, which is a beautiful sort of beige with almost a pinky tinge to it, which I think absolutely works with the lime washed brick tiles that we have on the floor. It's a perfect match. And then over the Duette Shades, we've used these gorgeous natural linen sheers. Again, we wanted the feeling of neutral, but we didn't want white. What we wanted to use were warm neutrals that would feel cool and elegant in summer, but would also feel cozy in winter. And I think we made the right choice. I think the combination of the duets and the sheers not only work beautifully visually, but I think the colors that we've chosen work in such harmony. And we've repeated the same thing in the bedroom too. So in the kitchen and the bathroom, we've used the poly resin shutters, which create privacy, but also aesthetically, I think they work so beautifully with everything else that we've chosen to put in the guest house. So I think what David and I have created here is very similar to what we have in our own home, but I guess we've kind of turned the dial up a little bit in terms of luxury. And of course the heat here can be pretty intense, especially in the middle of summer. So we've installed this folding arm awning for shade, and we've chosen this deep charcoal grey colour which works so beautifully with the black of the exterior cladding. And we've even put in that stripe, which I guess mimics the stripe in the cladding itself. You see, the devil's in the detail. Well, we're certainly enjoying the Luxaflex selections that we've made for our guest house. But for even more product information and inspiration, head to luxaflex.com.au.